anyways, this month's winner, I am very excited. The name was nominated by Alex Todd, and our recipient this month really displayed attitude, positive attitude, and teamwork. It was said that this person is always busy, never complains, was told that he needed to clean up some leaves on a temperature day of 6 below, was told he could do it the next day, but he said, you know what, it's got to be done, so I need to get it done now. I just might as well do it. So this month, we want to honor Josh Peck. Now, Josh, being a newer person, I want to make sure you understand how important this is. Not only is Mirza, did I get that right this time? Going to hand off the big dog that you get to keep for a month, which is a trophy. And then she was growling because she didn't want to give it up. But you also, come on down. Come on down.
Come up there, Mirza.
You are a, yep, come on. Hand off the big dog.
Wait, come over here.
Come over here.
Back, get the hand off.
Holding on to it together. Because you're handing it off.
Hold on
Oh,
to
he's-
it.
Got that? Okay, and then Josh, you get a check for $100.
Thank you.
Yeah. And there is a certificate that will be framed that you will get,
Okay.
honoring you for the Employee of the Month, and it'll be signed by Miles. We don't have Miles' signature right now, but we're gonna get it, and it's a very nice certificate. And then I wanna make sure that everyone understands what the Employee of the Month stands for as far as what that can get you in the end, which could be Employee of the Year. There will be a possibility of 22 employees, because it's one for each building, and the Employee of the Year is selected from that 22 employees. And that winner, the Employee of the Year, is going to get 2 round-trip tickets to anywhere in the continental United States, and $500 cash, and recognized at the annual bank holiday meeting. So, thank you so much
Thanks.
for displaying such awesome. For coming, because this is really important. This is really exciting. This person is going to be receiving this. So we're here to honor the Employee of the Month for Volkswagen. So Mr. Doug's going to have to hand off the big dog.
Give up the dog.
Yep, give up the big dog.
But
And
you're still eligible for the rest of the year.
That's right. And everyone knows that the Employee of the Month goes to someone that goes above and beyond. Not just as what was required in the job, but they've got that extra step forward to make a difference in either their co-workers' lives or their customers' lives. So, today we are here to honor Jadyn Anderson.
Come on down.
Come on down,
Come on
Jadyn.
down.
So,
Hang on.
So this is what we've heard about Jadyn. Jadyn, not only do you take really good care of your customers when you're talking with them and visiting with them about purchasing their vehicle, I understand that when they go to get their vehicle, to bring it back, to trade it in, and if something happens to it, you send help to them. And you sent out AAA, your own AAA service, to help this customer come back in with his trade-in. And we think that is going above and beyond, and we want to say, good job, big dog.
Do you want to picture them in front of the